Hi friends, welcome to the channel. I am here with a new video tutorial series on Git. In this tutorial, you will gain a solid foundation in Git, a powerful version control system. We will start by understanding Git's core concepts and setting up your environment. Next, you will learn how to track changes of your project, explore its history, and experiment with different development paths using branches. Finally, we will dive into collaborating with others using GitHub and advanced techniques for managing project history. Hi everyone, I am Iftekhar and I am really excited to be your Git instructor. I have carefully crafted this course to provide a solid foundation and help you become a Git pro. This course is designed to be efficient and informative. So, let's make the most of it together. So, what is Git? Git is the most popular version control system in the world. But what does that actually mean? A version control system is a software tool. It is like time machines for your code. It records every changes you made in your code and store it in a special database called repository. This allows to see who made these changes and when, easily revert back to previous version of your code, work with others on the same project without conflicts. Okay, so imagine you are working on a project without using a system to keep track of your changes. This is what most programmers deal with without something called version control. You have to save your whole project in different folders, each with a number. After a while, it's really confusing and pain to manage. Trying to go back to an older version of your code is a nightmare. It is even worse when you're working with others. You have to send code back and forth by email or something, then check everything by hand to see what's changed. This takes forever. But with version control system, you can see what's changed and work together without messing things up. There are mainly two types of version control system: centralized and distributed. So what is centralized version control system? In a centralized system, all the project files are stored in one main location. Everyone works in this single spot. The problem with this is that there is one point of failure. If the server goes offline, we can't work or save snapshots of our project offline. Subversion and Microsoft Team Foundation Server are examples of centralized version control system. On the other hand, in a distributed version control system, each team member has their own complete copy of the project. Changes can be made locally, so we don't have to rely solely on the server. If the server goes offline, we can still sync our work directly with each other. Git and Mercurial are the example of distributed version control system. Among all of these, Git is the most popular version control system. That's because it's free, open source, super fast, and highly scalable. Git is used almost everywhere these days. That's why almost every job wants someone to know Git. So, if you want to work as a programmer, you really need to know Git inside and out. You should know how it works and how to use it to keep track of your project and work with others. And that's exactly what we are going to learn in this course. In the next video, we will learn how to use Git and how to install and configure Git in your computer. I have put the link here in the video. You can check it if you want to. I also provided the playlist link in the description. So, thank you for watching. Stay tuned.